Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need targeted skills now. Focus on analytics platforms, SQL, and spreadsheet mastery. Start by auditing one website or campaign, pull data from Google Analytics and an export CSV. Once done, clean the data, calculate 3 core metrics, and document your steps in a short report. This becomes your first portfolio piece. Make sure to explain why each metric matters. That reasoning shows analytical thinking. Now deepen execution. Design and run an A/B test, then interpret results. Don't just report p-values, explain business impact. Simultaneously, build reusable dashboards that refresh automatically. Automate ETL to save hours. Learn attribution and cohort analysis so you can connect channels to revenue. Once you link tactics to outcomes, employers see strategy, not just reports. Make sure to version control queries and document assumptions for reproducibility. You're ready to transition. Refine 3 projects into concise case studies with visuals and clear ROI statements. Practice interview cases and timed SQL exercises. Rehearse storytelling. Start with the problem, show analysis, end with recommendations. Apply broadly and use networking to get referrals. If things go wrong, data mismatches, failing tests, reproduce the error, check data lineage and filters, then rerun with known good samples. This debugging habit separates junior from competent analysts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.